Oh, it's awful nice of Brian and Carla to invite me to the beach with them. I ain't been to the beach twice in the same year ever. They're two nice people. I'm going to have to do something good for them when we get back to the beach. 7:30. They said they'd be here by now. Gosh. Been out here for 45 minutes. Oh well. I guess it was too good to be true.